Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a blurry Bellini. It's a great idea for this Halloween. I'm going to leave the recipe in the description for you. Alright, without further ado, let's go! Alright, so for this cocktail we're going to need peach schnapps, peppermint schnapps, blood orange soda, grenadine, sparkling wine or champagne, and cranberry juice. Alright, I'm going to start by rimming a champagne glass with red sugar, and I'm going to use grenadine and red sugar. Now I'm going to add 1 ounce of peach schnapps, half ounce of peppermint schnapps, one ounce of cranberry juice, a quarter of an ounce of grenadine, now I'm going to add about 4 ounces of blood orange soda, and finally I'm just going to top it out with the sparkling wine. And that's how you make a blurry Bellini. Now if you guys like the video, give me some thumbs up, and if you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, until the next one, cheers!